Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi qim sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikamamini siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst.
Oh, grand Mr. Mzerowa.
Sure.
Man, asingene endabeni man. Wangithinta ufuna ukungixoxela kancane ngale game yePirates le. Nabo River ukwenzakalana ongitshela ubone kanjani ngoba manje ngizwile ukhala ngoRiver.
Like I've said guys, mina ngithanda umuntu omamelayo ndokukhumbulayo mangikhuluma. Ngithe iningi lama coach labo River ngoba kune course baye esikolweni. Bayocrema lento abayicrema ababhale baphasi laba bayidlalile ibhola abalaziyo abekho involved kakhulu njengalaba baye esikolweni laba
njengoba bothe ukhona laba benza itheory ukhona laba benza ipractical.
Exactly, so laba practical njengathi sikhula nayo lento isegazini siyayazi and ngiyayifila ipain out mabeyikhahlela nanoma kwenzakalani, but laba be-theory laba khohlwa bazolokwenza ama-flop. You know, I'll be honest with you, ibhola lamanje limnandi, ibhola limnandi maliflowa abantu bajabulele nje. But now if the referee is going to spoil the game, forget that guy. Lo be-referee game iPirates mamela uzokwashiwa bomthetho athi hayi umuntu uyamhlula game yena. La fana coach khona iplayer lenithi yellow card uyoxoxa neplayer, la fana axoxa neplayer coach neplayer. I mean tipo igame imnandi yashisa yavuthi yahamba mara umnika nje iplayer yellow card so sesama nokufaka inyawo ukuthi mhlawumbe ngebhadi ngoba lento ibhekene nami ngoba ufuna ukuprove ipoint ashaya red card engafanelanga mayingaka ama red card morevery angaka amagoli akoriwa legit morevery ayikho linesman ayikho. So, basimoshela labantu laba bemili.
And according to my understanding, if referee we betile le game, there's this other thing lokuthi kwenzakalani isafa or yini uyaxoshwa or
bayamfine. We waste nayo leyo nje sesiya mabheka lama game analyzewa. Bazothi suspended for 4 games, 3 games.
Then
uyabuyela futhi. And the poor soul lokuyi coach ospend iviki lonke namajita afocus angalali acaba ukuthi ufaka abani makunjena axoshiswe yilesilima sereferees.
That's why mhlambe abantu no nangara state bafaka ama ini VAR.
Yeah,
VAR.
Yeah, babona ukuthi ungcono imsize lo referee lento lena. There is why ibhola yakora kumi wisikhathi eside ayocheckisisa laphana a consult na VAR referee bahlanganisa into yona abuyeke ashaya ama signal. If it's a penalty stand, if it's not, game goes.
I think mhlambe bezoba ucabanga ukuthi bezoba ngcono mangabe ama coach we disc afana nama coach we ama referee we disc afana nama referee we rugby. Ngoba ama referee rugby according to my understanding ukhona laba bangaphandle babheka igame ufakwe imic wena ama referee une headset lapho ukuthi banokukutshela ukuthi endoda kubheka into esona stopa lana khona le foul le yenzakile.
South Africa khohlwa uMcKenzie nangu uyicelile iVAR silindile iyoziphele le league le with the season 25-26 ingakangeni. Uzibuza ukuthi isabani iPSL isafa ukufaka lento lena ukuthi ingene, because it's all about money and ukuthi njena the coaches babe safe emsebenzini yawo, because these referees baqedela ama coach emsebenzi.
Yeah, because me I thought ukuthi na iVAR izo exista kulama team like iChiefs beyidlala nePirates beyidlala for uqualify for iFIFA. I thought ukuthi now for laba
ngoba kwamanje sisaqala ngeke bayifake la seziya khona manje emaphethelweni ko last 8 last 4 kulezo vela khona okwamanje nje banala ukuthi ama preliminary games nothing, let it play, badla barobhana, it's okay, but maseziya lapha ebhandini then they start getting involved.
Oh, so I think more bhekile for ngayi South Africa. So njengoba usho ukuthi kulaba basa qualifier banokuthi hayi akunankinga noma bangarobhana sofaka masekushisa ilapho iVAR izo-exista khona. So mawuyibhekile for South Africa mawuthi bazoyifaka fanele bayifake for Chiefs, Pirates or for
all the games. You don't choose the game, all the games. That thing must be there. Because kunamatapa adlozo bathi hayi leya penalty ibonile asiyiyo leya penalty and mawuthi uyayibheka nje ureferee ngepressure yesupport yama-supporters ayenza ama-flops njengalo waseref game ePirates ebegijima nje la kwathola amahlombe lafana coachine khona ucoca namaplayer, which is what personally I hate discussing with players. Angithi ama-coach akhulumile ama-player akhulumile ne-coach wena umsebenzi wakushaya impempe uyakela ukhuluma namaplayer ukhuluma yini namaplayer
njengoba ulile utakeruke washo wathi ureferee bebanokumtshela ukuthi referee uzoyigwinya lempempe. So khona nje laba banu nje noma referee igame better nje akasagijimisa.
Angithi bathemba amaphoyisa babiza lama-trial amaphoyisa azobathatha abakhiphe egroundini ba-safe bathi kuqala besinganasikhathi saka-referee bekungamane unginike i-red card ngokubambile mina ngoba uyangiqeda. So that is why ngithi ama-referee aqedele ama-coach abhaya isipani
ama-referee. Mara no wena Mr. Mzerewa njengoba uke wasitshela vele ukuthi nawa ngithi bo-referee wangicocela ngenye igame akuzange ukubane negame lapho ukuthi ubane neplayer leyo ukuthi hayi le yasabiwa wena referee bazogonyisa lempempe mawuzo referee game lena kuba basis.
I remember bengireve Middlelands ekseni bebesinika ama-appointment yethu lapha e-JRA besibambela ama-meeting e-Orlando laphana bewuthola ama-appointment wakho ukuthi this weekend ureva kuphi ngoba amagame ecala ngabo 10 ekseni njalo. Nganikwa igame yase-Middlelands and le club bedlala ne-first 11 yasePhiri. I-first 11 bephethe enye inkosi bathi uKhata le nkosi beyifit ikhona. So le Middlelands akusakhumbuli le club or Shamrocks or yini le nkosi le lapha emuva beyikhahlela nayo. So understand manje the two bulls are playing against each other. So end of fire bamsaba lo mdala lo la emapetla bathembe ePhiri bathembe lo fire lo Khata lo. So it happened ukuthi le nkosi lo kuyihlukumeza uKhata during the game. But now mangithi nyamamela umoya le nkosi mayebholweni ukhala lonke iground understand but hayi mani kuyambamba lo bhuti mayikhahlela uKhata inhliziyo yami ababhlungu ngoba ngiyayazi le pain yokukhahlelwa iplayer uyiplayer. Ngabona ukuthi hayi enough is enough manje senginika ama-warning ayi-2 verbally mara ngafika manje lena ayisafuni i-verbality manje ithi ngimshaye ngibona ngithe mangimnika into emfanele waphuma wagijimela ngaphandle wabuya aphethe umese bamvimba labantu ngathi hayi miyekeleni weza bathi ngathi miyekeleni uthe make about 4 to 5 yards away from me ukuthi angisondele ne-Okapi angazi lethe kuye yekele into enzayo woyeka waphuma wabukela igame yadlala yaphela. After game he is the one futhi lowe Okapi okhaphe emini kuyogibela iteksi ubuye eshawela from Middlelands
ukuthi ubuye
wangincenga wathi ucela ngabhala i-report yokuthi ngimgaye i-red card bekuyinhliziyo ibhola okay ngiyalifrustana idisk mara le nkosi besajwa abo-referee service nabo but mina ngathi ithi ngiprove i-point ukuthi can I do it to this guy and I did it. That guy ngisaphinda wenze sure ukuthi ngigibela itaxi ngisafe ukuthi ngizofika la eKasi.
Ukuthi ungareport.
Yes.
So laba bamanje ke
hayi labo mama laba man kune game Steve Kompela I can't remember he was still a coach of Chiefs or Sundowns either way. What I wonder which dog is going to rev this donkey that is going to rev my game this weekend. Ngoba uyababona ngazibabiza amadonki. Ngoba abasarevi lokukureva kwebhola bafuna uprove i-point. We don't need to prove point. Sifuna ama-fans bheka iPirates igcwala istadium kanjani. Ngitshele labantu lama bezolima ibhola lingekho ngendaba kabani ka-referee ne-linesman. Look at Sundowns Pirates game first league e-Orlando uyabaleka lo sibelebele ufiti ikuye lesilima se-linesman eduze kwaso siphakamisa iflag bayiphinde kayiningi nabo-manager nabo-kekana bathi hayi ayikho le nto lena lo referee mara kuthulekile azwanga nisi ngalo linesman okhosta i-Pirates game.
Hayi bona njengoba usho ukuthi bazothi fine mara after lapho lo muntu uyabuyela uzoreva igame futhi
asenandaba thina abanye ababukela ibhola sesijabulela nje the best team edlalile ngoba ubheka manje kunentwana ezimnandi manje ezizayo manje. For instance angikhulumi kabi awubheke le venda laseshawela lapha kuPirates jersey number 15 Masindi le ntwana iyavutha leya mara kunalaba ayithatha khona ureferee ufanele ayenze yellow card azange ayenze yellow card la wabeka ibhola game ya floor which of course kula bekufuza coaching ukuthi bayithuba amhlanganyele lo mfana and they meant to injure him but ngoba vele li-fit level lakithi they couldn't so abo referee basifeyile
so I think kahle yilento boyiringa I think abo referee fanele ukuba ama player or ama coach
not exactly uTubra Shakes which was 1982-83 sise Orlando besiyenza United Bank coaching course wathi Shakes Mashaba coach Bafana by then Misnago Trot Muloto the late Screamer Chabalala sida basifundisa utema ekhuluma ubra Shakes wathi I don't wish to see a player becoming a coach. Why? Because uzofuna iplayer yenze lento boyiyenze yona njengamina self mina bengikhathela ibhola chief bengikhathela ibhola inhliziyo yakhe ibebhlungu but I don't expect my player to kick football like me. Let him produce his talent. Into yazi if uyaveyisa makaveyise lento intukudribula thina besithi ukuveyisa kudala so mina ngesikhathi sami bengazi ukuthi nje ukuzipositiona njengale shangane le Pirates umabasa liyazipositiona and likoronka amagoli simple you understand positioning you understand yena umnandi ukulifaka enetini iskill asikho nawo lo makhopha uyogijima lonke le ground alicwale mara nala fanele athole khona protection from the middleman which is the referee akayitholi
so Mr Mzera wena ucabangani ngalaba bafana bamanje laba badlala ku Pirates and laba bakudala because yakudala yiyo lento njengoba usho ukuthi ukuveyisa laba bakudala besazi ukuthi hayi manje sesishaya 2 goal game sezizophela manje sokuyadrijula manje ukuza so laba bano into engibonile mina le ntwana lezi until 90 minutes ziphele but they wanna score nje abadali they make sure ukuthi hayi nabo bakudribula awudribula ukuthi umuntu ngindlulisa ibhola ngiyedi anyokora
mfana kithi ngihlonipha iscout sePirates angimazi lo muntu oscoutela iPirates mara mamela Butafi lo muntu uphethe intwana ezisheshayo lilokhu lidlala ibhola nje kuyadrijulwa kuyiwa khona and manje I'm happy for the coach make fika befuna ukuthi ngengcondo yakhe yalila kuya khona mara uthi after 3 games bamkhomba bathi sisebenza kanje la ngithande ngomlomo wakhe athi ngifuna la uRivero agcine khona ngiqhubeke khona adlalise ama player ka Rivero la beloka phethi Pirates aloka tswaka nje afake lentwana zakhe kancane bheka nje makenza ama substitute na umremu ufike la afuna ukumqala negame amfakela ipressure wabona ukuthi man ngizokhosta intwana wayibamba uthe makecala lentwana aqala i-release kahle ngesikhathi kusele uma 10-15 game ingeni yakora lentwana manje you understand
ke nabo ulibitso
Chief Mamela lo muntu uphethe yonke into kunali le angilazi eBusman edlala lapha esiswini lihlalisa umakhawula ngaphandle you understand so labantu labafana bakuveyisa abaloko bayepalini ubheka amagoli wabo uthethe lo apolice uthethe umufukeng uthethe labo umremi uthathe lo lamthuthu you check all those boys so they dribble going forward which is what we want and the name of the game is a goal as long as udlala ungayipalini igame ayiphela 3 points yambili or 1 point yambili which is what we don't want
and nami ngicabanga ukuthi vele for le bowusho ngayo ukuthi you thought ukuthi referee bazokhuluma ngayo ngicabanga ukuthi ibhakane ithe hayi before igame yafaka le goal ya the last goal yathi hayi simiyeka nokumiyeka
no bayamiyeka vele nanoma kunzima ngisaphinda ngicela ningimamela bafethu labo referee bakhosta ama coach emisebenzi kunabo referee be practicality nabe theory and the most abe theory abazi nix baphethe incwadi ne certificate yinto emoshile into nebhola lethu but bakhona be theory into ziyabavuma phela nedlozi nalo liyagidela kwezinye izinto la be theory into ziyabavuma abanye hayibonke and mawuthi ufuna history yakho lo muntu ediskini ubuyapi awuna ne history look at this boy coach Pirates ubuya ngazi kuma World Cup ayingaki look at lo phethe isikhukhune
Yeah.
Tinkler. Go for another symbolic history, mark. You check those things. So those are the few people that's going to now will last in. Utatima case from nowhere beg. Every siamas. Understand? Yeah. So I shouldn't be the makama you to be up as mazity.
Hey. Aye, Sabonga Mr. Mzerewa.
That is why Tina City Sadali Pola, Mouse about bus introduce our night culture. The question is Uban Lubiapi. What's it? That's our question. It came my Dala, Udmom Pega Gumyama, Epson Benkawa, as in Nix, Tina amongst ourselves lies players, Sbizanes, Kulum, Mamelana, would send the sender so, as Mamelan is Namachita sends the end of the cock. I lay and as pay on. Nyame Epson Benkawa, Gasaza, Gana my ideas.
And we are Shutake Roguti, sometimes coach, no coaches on my play. I'm a player at I lost some coaches, so make us show good games with Alagaj. Utakonu Puma Bam replace. So Mount Yomaba Shogan sing a bone with I very far. I'm a player, Banganzi coach Winnie, I'm a player, Banganzi coach Tosh.
Pegalento and Z2 is la Pagu Chiefs. This is Malhaba le case. The Sara the size part.
Yeah.
La Buya le case. But you.
Hey.
La le khetla lizena la bafana bayithu balidlisa umsebenzi lekhetla but hayi wena emancane laba baqhubeke itena 3 games Chiefs loki wina landelana bona ngokwabo sabathathe ileague bakhoza the 16 more games to go for them to make 30 and go. So naba manje yaseqalile imvula manje yangena endlini manje
nenkinga ke.
So ama player mawekuthandile Chief, they will do everything for you to win the games. Marama player mawangakuthandanga, they will do everything for you to go. The coach makes a player. The player keeps the coach, or if they wanted to go, they sit around, but I lost your head. Ngiyumzethe nje striker. Ngitholi sithi amampela. Kube nento engekho nje le ball ngilishaya ngiphathwe emasilphule engekho. Nje uvalele umalume ngaphansi ukuthi akahambe. Uzofaka lo. That's how it goes. So football is cruel, boss. If another game, you're a politician, and that's all about the politics. It's a dirty game. It's like football.
It's a dirty game.
Yeah.
Thank you. With the football, it's a dirty game, like politics.
Ngwakeka arabe ngwakeka
uphuma wenzekaje
phela la ile ngbe namagangsters
mabhasa wena nje uspita kanje akaze dala bakushaya isikeja ufasile
Ijalo the siropas amasiropas
bona ndiyagcina idiva yakhumbula diphathi grandstand Chiefs ngapha iPirates ngapha ithathu kuyale yo which is ngabo kwePirates yo yadini divide ngamasimba kuyale
So uthi isiphaza mangabe uyofuna ukuthengisa ingawuthengisa ingwa ku Chiefs
uthenga kuPirates ngenkani phela mele ngibhayisela uTamen line mina maniphi uTamen line
kodwa manje into esegrand ukuthi
impuntsha namakheni
into esegrand ukuthi manje ngamadabi
buka ku number 5
iwe ngisezahlanga
Pirate wathi konje main line nabo wayekhona kuya gang ya form Chiefs ne Utamen line
Mina uya uskom for
yeah nayo kuya ngale na yeah mina bempayisela yena ke lapha ground namanipi.
That's why I'm a player.
And nakhona ngayekiswa amavetala phela.
Sawashela ikhwanda mama.
Ngayekiswa amavetala. Ngayekiswa iHolman yami. Ngalathi side kanti.
Because ngicabanga ukuthi ikhona iplayer laseSoweto eyasuka la yabu uyiBemplecation. Orela hamba la yabu Bidoni.
Aliko bashela ku Pirates ni Kaizer Chiefs.
Madoda ayo wakhona nabahlabi leBidoni United. Madoda the Ravis.
Bomishek the executive.
Madoda.
Bomjanqeka.
Awusiye ground noma ngawedlala.
Hayi.
Angakelisa ngedlala.
Abantu kelisi bayini.
Victoria Killer waya umrip.
Masterpieces.
Yemadoda ikhona lebayibulala amaplana nakhona athengwa yiyo le Sundowns le. ngiyayikhohlwa lesapha babethi yini yakhona ePitori bokuye nekelisi sithu yini lesapha
African Wanderers.
Wanderers yaseNewcastle Wanderers iphethe umfana seNewcastle neubani lensizwe emnyama balilizwe ubani yasosizweni nayo
hayi mina
Nenye sesizweni kulo.
leyabhola le
Abona
uJunior yesana Sundown besana Wanderers ikhuphuke nawo amaZulu yesana ikhuphuke nawo no la muntu ngecoaching no hayi njela
uJunior
bambulala kodwa bambulala ne laba basibulalile coach
bambulala kanjani like
asasini ngale phela change
uJunior wapoliswa
wapoliswa ngithi ngathi bokwindaba zeyipani leza ma-union nalama company awo ngathi besebenza bo iscom into ezinjalo lama company ayemakhulu kulanka ama-size yila bantu abashayisha yidi
bathi nje mina njengoba ngifike eNewcastle ngathola uThafi kwiBrian ntwana kaJunior nje umkhulu so ngabathola ntwana uze ngazi uJunior njela mina umazi ngaba uThafi yabo noThafi
ifoma iplayer
Intwana yakhe akusile ehlala emndeni.
Ngithola uThafi kuyiplayer enzima kakhulu manje.
Thafi.
Yeah, that's why
From one
Ngekummaka uThafi.
ngeke
ulithatha ibhola kuThafi. Ngeke ulithatha ibhola kuThafi.
Njengamanje nje uma lokasheka nayo
ngeke ulithatha ibhola.
ngithi wena ubhek behind the scenes angithi or you angithola ukuphathe behind the scenes
Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngedisk asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostan disk adlale disk that's why siringa ngedisk yes ya yibungile kijane laba